Classic vehicles often serve as our closest connection to the past, acting as time machines that transport us to bygone eras. Driving an old car allows us to commune with history, to feel and experience what previous generations did. The 1983 Toyota FJ45 Land Cruiser we're about to explore has been meticulously restored to such an extent that it will take you back in time, without requiring you to say goodbye to the present. Introduced in 1964, the FJ45 was the pickup truck variant of Toyota's legendary FJ40 Land Cruiser SUV. Based on one of the most capable off-road chassis ever developed, it added a bed for a little more utility, and it makes it look cool, too. As you can tell, this example from 1983 is stunningly clean. Treated to a frame-off restoration, the team working on it wanted to maintain a factory look. Indeed, it looks showroom fresh, which should help its next driver feel like they're exploring the wilds of Reagan's America. Finished in a handsome shade of olive green, the Land Cruiser's four-wheel drive componentry was reportedly serviced, and the 4.2-liter 2F inline-six was completely rebuilt to make it drive like it did when it was new. However, the restoration team couldn't help but make a few improvements. The Land Cruiser gets an upgraded Old Man Emu suspension kit and a new electrical system to make it a little more capable and a little more reliable, as if it needed it. In addition, it gets bumper-mounted fog lights that bracket a worn winch to pull you out of any trouble you get into on the trail. Inside, it gets tan leather upholstery and a modern sound system with an MP3 player to make the drives to the woods a little less dull. To make it look the part, it also gets a high-lift jack and olive green jerry cans. Offered for sale at RM Sotheby's Arizona 2024 auction. This 1983 FJ45 Land Cruiser has been driven just 600 miles since its restoration was completed. Estimates suggest that it could sell for as much as $70,000.